How to study. When you sit down to study, how do you transfer a massive amount of information from the book and not in front of you to a reliable spot in your mind? You need to develop good study habits. At first, it will take a good deal of conscious effort to change your studying way, but after a while, it will become second nature, and studying will be easier to do. Preparing to study. Manage your time. Make a weekly schedule and devote a certain amount of time per day to studying. It will also improve your grade. The amount will vary depending on what you're in each school or college, and also vary by field of study. Make sure you stick to your schedule as much as possible but don't be afraid to go off plan some time to study more for the most recent upcoming exam. Make sure the study plan is realistic and not impossible. Don't forget to schedule in everything, from eating, dressing, and commuting, to la bonne scheduled class. 1. You need to balance school, work, and extracurricular activity. If you are really struggling with your class, you may want to give up after school job or an extracurricular activity until your grade come up. You need to prioritize your time. Remember, your education is the most important thing. 2. For college class, you should base your you study per class on a difficult class en many credit hurt class hort. For example, if you have a 3 jours physique class tai really hard, you want to study 9 jours a week, 3 HRSX 3 for hard difficulty. If you have a literature course tai hort 3 jours en ikanda hard, you may want to study 6 jours a week, 3 HRSX 2 for medium difficulty. Pace yourself. Find the best speed for you to study and adjust accordingly. Some concept or class will come to you more naturally, so you can study those more quickly. Otetinium take you to salon. Take the time you need and study at a pace you feel comfortable. If you study more slowly, remember that you will need more time to study. 3. Get a nug sleep. Make a new time in your schedule to get a nug sleep. Get a good night's sleep every night and you'll be making the best of your study time. It's important a you'll up to the test, and especially important right before you take the test. Study have shown that sleep positively impact test taking by improving memory and attentiveness. Staying up all night studying may sound like a good idea, but skip the all night cram session. If you study through good week, you won't need to cram anyway. Getting a good night's sleep will help you perform better. 4. If you want a little sleep deprived despite your best effort, take a short nap for studying. Limit your nap to 15-30 minutes. After you wake, do some physical activity, like you would do during a break, right before you start. Clear your mind of anything that you have to do with the topic you're studying. If you go alone your mind, take a moment to write yourself some note about what you're thinking about and you feel before you start studying. It will help to clear your mind and focus all your thoughts on your work. Eliminate electronic distraction. One of the worst distraction for studying is electronic device. They are hooked up to social media, you receive text through your phone, and your laptop is hooked to internet. Silence your cell phone or keep it in your bag so in order to distract you if someone call or text you. If you can, don't open your laptop or connect it to internet. If you are easily distracted by social networking sites such as YouTube, Facebook, or other, don't off available application to instantly block some of the distracting sites on your computer. When you are done with your work, you can unblock access to all the sites before. 5. Eliminate electronic distraction. One of the worst distraction for studying is electronic device. They are hooked up to social media, you receive text through your phone, and your laptop is hooked to internet. Silence your cell phone or keep it in your bag so in order to distract you if someone call or text you. If you can, don't open your laptop or connect it to internet. If you are easily distracted by social networking sites such as YouTube, Facebook, or other, download one of the available applications to instantly block some of the distracting sites on your computer. When you are done with your work, you can unblock access to all the sites before. 5. Setting up your study space. Fin go de study spot. Gain control of your study space. You should feel comfortable so that studying is more enjoyable. If you are sitting at a table in the library, then find somewhere much more pleasant, like your sofa or a bamboo chair in your floor. Try studying in comfortable cloth, like a cozy sweatshirt or yoga pants. 6. The place where you study should be free from distraction and relatively quiet. 7. Don't use a place so comfortable that you risk falling asleep. You want to be comfortable, not ready to fall asleep. A bed is a very good study spot when you're tired. Traffic outside your window and library conversation are fine with noise, but interrupting sibling and music blasting in the next room are no. You may want to go somewhere away from people who may provide distraction. Use background music carefully. Some people prefer silence while they study, others prefer music in the background. Music can be beneficial to your studying by helping you be calm, elevating your mood, and motivating you. If you listen to music, stick to instrumental music, which is music that no over like classical, moviscore, trance, or baroque. 8. If it doesn't distract you, listen to familiar music whatever. Turn off anything that distracts you from your studying. You may be able to listen to rock music whatever but no pop. Figure out what work for you. Make sure to keep the music à moderate to low volume. Low music can distract you while high music can help you while studying. Skip the radio. The commercials and DJ'(S) voice can bring you out of your study zone. 9. Listen to background sound. Background sound can help you get into zone and focus on your study without getting distracted. Natural sounds such as waterfall, rain, thunder, and jungle sound can give no great noise to keep you focused and block out the sound. There are many places online to find this kind of sound, including YouTube. 10. Keep the television turned off. Having the television while you study is generally a bad idea. It can distract you a lot and make you focus on the TV show or movie instead of the book. Plus, voices are extremely distracting because it engage the language santé of your brain. 11.